Hi all. So today we will be seeing how IBM Maximo provides insights through detailed asset analytics. It utilizes predictive analytics to forecast asset failures, analyzes trends for optimizing maintenance scheduling strategies. It provides detailed reports on asset performance metrics, tracks asset usage for life cycle cost analysis, leverages AI to identify operational inefficiencies, visualizes asset data through customizable dashboards, enables comparative analysis of multi-asset performance, monitors energy consumption for sustainable asset operations, integrates IoT data for real-time decision making, and offers insights to improve resource allocation accuracy. How IBM is suitable for various industries like utilities. It manages power distribution assets and utility operations. It supports oil and gas pipeline monitoring solutions. It optimizes manufacturing processes through equipment management tools. It manages healthcare facilities for equipment reliability assurance. It enhances transportation systems with fleet management analytics. It maintains infrastructure assets for public sector organizations. It tracks water treatment systems for operational efficiency. It provides telecom companies with network asset management capabilities. It aids mining operations with predictive maintenance features. And it adapts to industry specific compliance and operational needs. Third is how IBM Maximo is designed for scalability and system reliability. It handles growing data volumes with scalable architecture seamlessly. It ensures consistent performance during high demand operational loads. It adapts to organizational needs with modular flexibility. It provides high availability for mission critical asset operations. It integrates multiple systems without compromising processing efficiency. It supports global operations through multi language configurations. It enables seamless upgrades without disrupting ongoing activities. It delivers consistent reliability across various infrastructure setups. It expands easily for future organizational growth requirements. It ensures data security through robust protection protocols. Fourth is IBM Maximo offers a cloud based deployment option. It reduces upfront infrastructure costs with cloud hosting. It ensures global accessibility with secure cloud connections. It offers seamless updates for always up to date software, providing scalability for fluctuating operations, improves collaboration through centralized data cloud storage, enhances disaster recovery with cloud backup solutions, reduces IT burden from managed services, and integrates securely with existing enterprise cloud systems. It supports remote teams via mobile friendly cloud platforms, delivering operational efficiency through fast cloud based processing. IBM Maximo reduces costs via efficient asset tracking. It minimizes asset downtime through proactive maintenance scheduling, tracks inventory to prevent overstocking and shortages efficiently. It optimizes resource utilization to avoid operational waste. It reduces repair costs with predictive maintenance tools. It extends asset life cycle through timely servicing recommendations, decreases energy cost and centralizes operations. improves fleet management, and prevents loss through real time asset location monitoring, enhancing procurement strategies with accurate asset usage data.